are you ready for the secret to make all your favorite baked goods grain-free? We have that coming up. Hey, welcome to the Bejeweled Life Cooking Show.
I'm Tinkerbell.
I'm Caitlin.
You are Tinkerbell's sister. You're Tinkerbell's friend.
Okay, today we are making for you guys a grain-free all-purpose flour that you can use in almost all of your favorite baked good recipes that call for an all-purpose flour. I'm so excited about this. I got this recipe from the Calculated Whisk. We're gonna make 4 cups. You can divide it for whatever recipe, but honestly, what I would suggest is
This is my recipe.
make it in bulk, save it in your pantry, and then whenever you're baking cakes or cookies that need an all-purpose flour, you'll have this at the ready.
Sorry, what's 2 cups of almond flour? There's a link where you gotta get this below. 1 and third tapioca. Okay.
And then you want to add 2/3 cup of organic coconut flour.
I'm gonna add 2/4 cups of coconut powder.
Now put the lid on.
Okay, and shake it.
Yep.
Is this the way?
Yeah, okay. So you mix all that together and then you put the lid on really tightly and then you shake it up.
Wait, I'll shake.
And voila, you have 4 cups of all-purpose grain-free flour to substitute in almost all your favorite baking recipes.
I'm gonna do it again.
And don't be afraid to try other nut and seed flours in place of the almond flour. If you have a nut allergy in your family, I would try sesame flour and just use the same ratios. So all of the ingredients are listed below, and there's places where you can order them.
And go.
This flour mixture is gonna be in tons of our baking recipes coming up. So definitely make it in bulk, save it in a Ziploc in your pantry. Thanks for watching the Bejeweled Life Cooking Show. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for more awesome, healthier recipes for you and your family.
See ya.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Char Char, say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Okay, that's enough. Okay, no, don't. No, we're gonna make cookies with it.
Okay, we're making chocolate chip cookies. But almonds. Almonds is what I will cook.
Hey, welcome to the Bejeweled Life Cooking Show. I am...
Okay, your Jasmine's other girlfriend. Tell me about this. Tell me about the white things.
Oh, I'm Jasmine's other friend. This is Jasmine.
You want to add 1 and 10 tapioca flour. You want to add 2 cups of 2 cups bunch of the flour is cola. Cola. You got a blanched almond flour with that mess.
Thanks for watching the Bejeweled Life Cooking Show.
You're gonna keep.
Don't forget to Thanks for watching the Bejeweled Life Cooking Show. Don't forget to subscribe and...
Well, first I'm gonna show them about rubbing things, like on your arms and stuff. Can you give me some lotion? Cookie is the best thing ever.